In this video, I'm about to show you how you can fix peak crashing or some peak errors as well. So I will show you different methods I have personally used because I had errors of peak crashing when I tried to open it. And I know some friends that had errors on this game as well. And with the methods I'm going to show you today, we managed to fix everything and play the game normally. So I'm going to close the game and I'm going to show you one of the errors I had first. So if you go to Steam and try to play the game, you will see the launch options. So in my case, this might be your case as well. If you click on play using Vulkan, you press play and the game will try to load normally. But when it launches, you might see something like this and it just never loads. It will be stuck on this screen and then you will have an error like this. So this fix is very easy. This is the first method. If you're having troubles using the Vulkan option, you can just use this other launch option. So you can click this option and then play, and this will work fine. If this window doesn't appear, we can follow this instruction right here. You can view the launch options and edit your selection from the gear icon. So you can click right here, then go to properties, and right here you will see the launch options. So you can choose the one that works fine for you. So if this didn't work, you can right click pick on your Steam library, then go to properties, then you can go to install and verify the integrity of the game files. So this will verify if all the files of this game are installed correctly, and it will also install or download the missing files or fix the files that are not working fine. So this should work as well. So if nothing helped yet, you can also reinstall the game by right clicking, then manage and uninstall, and then just installing the game. And now I'm also going to show you what you can do inside the game if you have managed Peak to open, but it crashes after playing for some time or you are having a different error. So let's open the game first. And once you are inside, what you can do is go to settings, then graphics, and you can play with the window mode. You might have some issues with this. You can also decrease the maximum frame rate and you can also decrease the quality of the graphics. So those are the most common fixes to prevent errors and crashes on Peak. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.